Yeah, so I was saying, right now I'm focusing more attention on writing my book. Okay, my book, the book on the Aboriginals is 20 years in the making. Okay, I started on that book like over 20 years ago. Okay, it's time for that book to be published. All right. So anyway, back to this food stuff here. So yeah, so hold on. Sorry about that. I apologize for the quality of this video, but you got to remember this is done on my cell phone, and I apologize for a lot of the movement. I'm holding the phone in one hand and preparing the food in the other, so I'm rushing to do this and that. That's why you hear the heavy breathing. It's not easy doing this on the cell. This is easier when you're doing the stuff in the studio or you got the camera set up. All right, so that's pretty much it, and tomorrow we'll get this lamb cooking. All right, until the next time, doggone hunt.